Hey everyone, how's it going? So, in honor of Valentine's Day today, I want to show you guys how to draw a Valentine's version of Baby Yoda. And as you can see, my good friend Miami is back, and apparently she wants to help us with this video. So, we'll see how this goes and see if we can actually draw this without having a cat in the way the entire time. So, to start off with this, we want to begin with Baby Yoda's eyes. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then down like this. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and then up for the bottom of the eye. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then down like this for the other eye. And then I'm going to draw a line here that's just going to go down and then up like this. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to make a little circular shape for the nose. Then, right above the eyes, I'm going to draw a little curved line here, and then a little curved line right here. And then I'm going to do the same thing underneath each eye. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and then up like this for the mouth. And then I'm going to add a little curved line underneath of it, just for a little lip. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to curve in like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of curve down and then in right to about here. And then I'm going to make a little curved line just like this for the chin. Then, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve like this. And then another one that's just going to kind of curve out like this for the ears. Make a line that's just going to kind of go right along the top of this, and then it's going to kind of curve down. He's got those really big ears. Then I'm going to do the same thing here, kind of follow that curve, and then just kind of go down and then curve up. And then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go up and then down for the top of his head. And then I'm going to make a little curved line here and then a little curved line here. Then, for some details in his eyes, I'm just going to make a little curved line that's just going to go right around here like a big circle. Do that on each one. And then I'm going to add a big circle right up here and then a smaller one here. And then same thing here, big circle and then a smaller one down here. Then, starting here, I'm going to add a little curved line here, and then one here just to kind of show where the collar of a shirt is. And then I'm just going to start here and draw a little line that goes down, and then one right here that goes down. Now, right here, I'm going to draw kind of like a little rectangle shape. It can be a little bit curved, and I kind of rounded the corners. And then I'm going to do the same thing right here, just kind of add this little rectangle shape. These are going to be the sleeves of a shirt. Then I'm just going to connect these little lines in. And then I'm going to start here and draw a line that's just going to go down and then kind of curve up. And then right here, kind of go down and then just curve it up. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve and then come back. And then one more here for his little fingers. I'm going to do one here, and then one right here. And I want it to look like he's holding a little heart. So I'm going to start here and just make a little line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to go up and then down here. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's just going to kind of go up for the heart shape. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then one right here. And then I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of go down. It's going to curve across and then connect up to here. And then I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to go right up to here, kind of show where his little robe is. Then I'm going to make a little curved line here on his arm, and then one right here just to make it look like his arms are kind of bent a little bit. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Valentine's Day Baby Yoda. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.